Hey, what's up guys? Back at Raystown Lake this morning. It is freezing cold, it's like 20 degrees out. I got Mikey with me, he's parking the truck now. We're gonna try to catch some stripers, and if that don't work out, hopefully some smallmouth. But I want to say thanks to all you guys for all the views and all the subscribers. Appreciate it, and we'll try to keep the content coming.
There's so much ice on my line right now. There's so much ice on my line right now. There's something.
Good?
I don't think. I don't think.
White perch.
Yep. Oh, walleye.
Walleye. There you go. At least it's a fish. You have the camera on.
Oh, popped off.
See. Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Imagine that. Is he big enough to keep?
I don't know. How big do they have to be?
I have no idea. I'll set that down for you. I gotta get us off the back. I have no idea how big they have to be.
Where's your golden roller at?
You can get it open. How big they have to
I'm
be.
pretty sure it's like 16 or 17 or something like that. Or something.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Big.
Bigger. Definitely has some weight to him.
Maybe it's gonna stick.
Another walleye. That one's a keeper.
There you go. Good job, buddy.
I might throw him in the live well.
Smashing the wall.
Oh, buddy. That was sharp.
You get him in you get you in the hand.
Yeah, that freaking top fin.
I thought the blade got you. What'd you do? Just cast up shallow?
Yeah. Like over where that transition is on the other side. I can get my glove up in his gill.
You eat them.
Oh yeah.
Okay, they're good eating.
I haven't had them in forever though. 15 inches.
He's definitely 15.
Oh yeah.
He's like 17 or 18.
Cause that other one was what, 14?
Yeah. He was almost a keeper too. But you would think you lift it up to the keeper and then Mike was 14. He threw that one back.
You're allowed 6 per day.
We'll get 12.
Yeah. Oh, I think I got him. Little, whatever it is. Yeah, really little. White perch. That's why I kept getting bumped.
You sure catching fish.
Monster. Oh, another white perch.
They like that blade, don't they?
He's digging pretty good. Oh my goodness. The smallest one yet. They are spiny little things.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're making a move. We're pulling the boat out, heading down lake, try to catch some smallmouth. It is freezing, I'm telling you. But couldn't find any stripers. We did catch 2 walleye and some white perch, but not what we're after, so hopefully the smallmouth are biting, because this is ridiculous. You can't even hardly stand to drive. But stick with us. Alright, we made her to James Creek. It's starting to snow now. I think it's supposed to snow like a foot, something like that. Anywhere between a foot and 10 feet of snow today, so maybe it'll make them start biting. Separates the boys from the man here.
I don't know how many people think we're doing fishing.
We've already had a certain bank. There's one. Net, yeah. He's digging. Want me to take this little fish? Oh.
Where's he at? You can't even see your line. He's decent. Ain't bad.
There are smallmouth in here. Oh, I'm starting to get a little worried.
How far was he?
Pretty far. I'm not even casting close to the bank. Take him on a snowy day.
You wanna get your picture?
Yeah.
Oh. That was close.
I just set the hook and dropped my rod.
What did you do? Just like slide out of your hand?
I just got one. Definitely need a net on this one. Boy, is he ever digging.
Oh,
Oh. Please don't come off. Oh. Yes. Oh man.
that's at least a 3. That's a 4.
Well, he knocked slack in it. That's why I thought I missed the bite at first. I was like, I just got. Oh, he's still there. Yeah. I don't even feel like digging my scale out. On the Kitech 2.8. Ooh, about lost him. Slow rolling on the bottom. He thumped it too. Get a picture of this.
Hey Mike. I need a battery.
Are you serious? That's a good note to end on. What do you think?
Wrong with me.
Yeah, alright. I'm not digging in that thing again. I can't get the stupid thing to open and close anymore. It's a pack full of snow.
I can't even use it.
Let me just put my feet up. We caught some snow. Plenty of that. Oh, sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to beam you in the face with it. It slipped out of my hand.
This boat's like a big slip and slide right now.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, you really won't be able to see it. I can't even get my freaking top on. your eyebrow.
So do you.
See if I can do this without dying.
Just be careful, please. Is it bad or not?
No, it wasn't as bad as I thought.